Well, hello YouTube, back with another unboxing. I know it's kind of been a while. I know I say that every video, but I just want to keep up to date with the silver and precious metals community. This is going to be a small unboxing today. I intend to do a full stack video update soon. I did get some coins or some silver from my LCS, local coin shop, and I haven't showcased them yet. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to make a full stack video soon. Probably not today, but very soon. Anyway, today is just going to be just a small unboxing. So this is gold from JM Bullion. Actually, this is going to be my first gold coin. It arrived yesterday. Sent them an e-check. It was a pretty easy process. So anyway, without further ado, this is going to be a small video, but I just want to get up to date with you guys, let you know I'm still around, and I intend to do a full stack video update soon. So without further ado, let's get this bad boy opened here. I love these unboxing videos. Nice packaging, they did very well. Obviously there's probably not much in here unless they forgot something. They just put a lot of packing material in there. So there goes the box. There it is. And this is gold. I will let you know, or you'll probably see. It's probably nothing you guys haven't seen before, but you know, it's just generic. Okay, so here we go. First of all, it's a capsule case, and wow, this is cool here. I wonder if you guys can recognize this. Yep, it's a buffalo. And maybe I better put a, here, let me see if I can adjust this. First gold coin. I kind of paid a lot for this because gold's so freaking expensive, so it's not like I could stack gold very often. But I wanted to diversify my stack, and I didn't have any gold before, so there went my tax refund, pretty much. And again, this is something you guys probably haven't seen before in the past. Want to be very careful. Look at that, verified. Verified real, and this is actually pretty cool. Oh, come on. So yeah, just a gold buffalo. This is, let me see if I can, yep. It's about the size of, it's a little smaller than an eagle. I should probably put some size comparisons on it, but this is 0.999 fine silver. And it's based on the famous James Earl Fraser design of the buffalo nickel. So, very cool. There went my tax refund. Let me see if I can get that in focus a little bit more. First gold coin, you guys. Yeah, pretty cool. I gotta get this in the capsule. I sure hope this is the right size capsule. This capsule is. I wonder if I can pause the video and do. Or no, if you guys don't mind sticking around, let me just get this in there really fast. I just want to make sure this thing's gonna fit. Wow, there's ugly tape on there. Oh, wait a minute. No, it's just a piece of foam. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Let's hope it fits. Here, let me see if let's put this face down. Yeah, seems like it fits. Yeah, it fit. So yeah, pretty cool. First gold coin, and hope you guys enjoyed. That's all I've got to say in this video. Again, it's a very short video. What year is this anyway? 2000. Lighting is really bad. Let's see if I can adjust the lighting on it. 2011? 2011. Gold buffalo coin. Okay, guys, I'm going to do a full stack update again very soon. You know what? Let's compare this with just as a size comparison, I don't know what I have here. I don't have any of my Eagles out right now, but let's see if I got a quarter. Then we can compare it to a quarter here. Okay, here's a quarter. Okay, so there's your standard quarter. There's the Buffalo. So it's much bigger than a quarter. Obviously, but I don't think it's the size of an Eagle. When I do the full Silver Stack update, I will compare it to an Eagle, put them side by side, and and then we'll see which one's bigger. I believe the Silver Eagles are still a little bit bigger. I think they're wider, but I think the Gold Buffalo is thicker as far as, you know, where the rim is. So yeah, it's got a reeded edge. If you could see it through the case, probably hard to see through there. Alright guys, that's all, just a small update. A full stack silver video will be coming soon, and I just want to give you guys heads up, and hope you all are doing well. I still do comment on your videos, so yeah, I'll do a full stack video update soon, and until then, hope you all take care. Peace out.